Now, tinnitus can be a very irritating symptom where it can literally drive you nuts because you have this ringing in the background. Now, there's perceived sound, but there's no external noise. So where is it coming from? It could be a ringing, it could be a clicking, it could be a hissing, a roaring, a buzzing. Now, in the past, I've done 2 other videos on this topic, and I put the links down below. And a lot of people responded very positively to what I recommended, but not everyone. So I wanted to dig down and give those who didn't respond some additional things to look at. Acupuncture, by the way, is a very valid therapy for a lot of things, including tinnitus. So check that out. But as far as natural remedies go, there are 4 things I'm going to recommend. These 2 are the most important right here. So the Korean red ginseng, there was a randomized clinical trial, and I'll put all those links down below, where participants took 3,000 milligrams a day for a period of, I think it was 6 weeks, and there was significant decrease in symptoms from tinnitus. The theory is that it decreases something called ROS and decreases hydrogen peroxide. These are 2 things that are oxidizing the body. So Korean red ginseng is a very powerful antioxidant to neutralize this right here. Number 2, Gushin Payan, which is a Chinese herb, was used to treat hearing loss and tinnitus. There was a phase 2 double-blinded randomized clinical trial that showed significant decrease in tinnitus symptoms. The mechanism seems to be a decrease in mucus. Now, if you have a sinus infection or an ear infection where you have mucus in the ear, another remedy I'm going to recommend is Spanish black radish. Consume it on your salad. You can get it as supplements, but it's one of the best things to pull mucus out of the inner ear. All right, number 4, benfotiamine. This is a fat-soluble vitamin B1. And yes, it is synthetic, but it doesn't seem to have any negative side effects. This would be a very good remedy if there was nerve damage that's coming from diabetes, insulin resistance, a pre-diabetic situation. So if that's what you have, this is something I would recommend taking because it's really good for anything nerve-related, including peripheral neuropathy, which is nerve damage in the bottom of your feet or your hands, and you feel like that burning or tingling or pain. And then we have something called feverfew. This is an herb. The Latin word for this would be fever because it's good for fevers, it's good for migraine headaches, it's good for ear pain, and it's good for tinnitus. So go ahead and try these things and comment down below.